Canon EOS Rebel SL3 EOS 250D now official. 4K ready EOS DSLR arrives. Canon has finally put an end to rumors of a new EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR by confirming that the model is on the way. The Rebel SL3, which is also known as the EOS 250D and EOS Kiss X, is Canon's smallest and lightest DSLR yet, weighing 15.84 ounce/449 g. Where to pre-order the Rebel SL3? $549 at B&H Photo. $599 at Best Buy. It echoes its predecessor in offering a 24.1 MP APS-C sensor, although this has now been partnered with the company's latest Digic 8 processor, the same engine that starred in the EOS M50 and EOS R among other cameras. That combination delivers a sensitivity range of ISO 100-25,600, which can be extended to a setting equivalent to ISO 51,200 where required. It also now allows for 4K video recording to 24p, a first for an EOS DSLR at this level. The microphone port from the EOS Rebel SL2 has been maintained, although there's no space for a headphone socket alongside. Burst shooting, meanwhile, can be carried out at a rate of 5 fps, while built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth allow for wireless image transmission and remote control from smartphones and tablets. Spot AF and smooth skin options make their debut. The camera's 9-point AF system also features a new Spot AF mode, which is said to help users focus on a precise area within a subject, while dual pixel CMOS AF can be used in live view and for full HD video recording. When shooting in live view, it's also now possible to call upon eye detection AF to keep a subject's eyes sharp and in focus. The new camera also carries over the SL2S3IN vari-angle LCD, which has a 1.04 million dot resolution and is sensitive to touch, and also packs an optical viewfinder that covers around 95% of the scene. Other features include a 4K time-lapse shooting mode, together with a new smooth skin option and digital lens optimizer. Battery life, meanwhile, has a CIPA rating of 1070 shots per change, not the best in its class but very respectable nonetheless. The Rebel SL3/EOS 250D will go on sale towards the end of April in black and white finishes, at a price of $599.99/£529.99 for the body on its own. Those wanting to grab the camera with the EFS 18 to 55 f/4-5.6's STM can do so for $749.99/£659.99. Best Beginner DSLR Cameras 2019, 10 cheap DSLRs perfect for new users. Related product, Canon Rebel SL2, EOS 200D. Our verdict. From the guided UI and revised exterior design to the fast AF system and responsive touchscreen, this is a camera that feels great, and appears to perform as we'd expect it to. It's small, light, easy to use and responsive. If the image quality proves to be up to the same standard, Canon will have another smasher on its hands.